Hello, dear students.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir.
I want to ask you some question.
Okay, sir.
All are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আমরা আছি এভারগ্রিন পাবলিক মডেল স্কুলে। তো এখানে আমার পিছনে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সপ্তম শ্রেণীর কিছু ছাত্রীরা আছে, যারা আমাদের স্কুলে আপনারা জেনে থাকেন যে আসলে আমাদের পাঠ্যপুস্তক ভিত্তিক লেখাপড়ার পাশাপাশি আমরা স্পিকিং ইংলিশ সহ অন্যান্য বিভিন্ন কো কারিকুলার অ্যাক্টিভিটিস করিয়ে থাকি। তো আজকে আমরা এখানে যারা আছে তাদের সাথে আসলে স্পিকিং ইংলিশে তারা কতটুকু দক্ষ হতে পেরেছে বা তারা কতটুকু ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে, জাস্ট এই বিষয়টা আমরা আজকে তাদের কাছ থেকে জেনে নেব। তো ভিউয়ার্স, লেটস স্টার্ট আওয়ার ভিডিও। Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. At first, I want to ask you some question. What is your name?
My name is Moon.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 7.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Moon. I read in class 7 in Evergreen Public Model School. My father name is MD Moniruজ্জামান Ashik and my mother name is Nusrat Jahan.
Okay. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Farz Islam Sharika.
What's the name of your school?
My school name is Evergreen Public Model School and College.
Why do you think that our school is something special from others?
I think our school is very special for others for many reasons. We not only get here curriculum knowledge, but also we get here curriculum activities here which are very important for us, for our future life. We get the opportunity to practice English debate, English spoken class, poem recitation, many classes.
Okay. Thank you. Do you think that English is very important for us?
Yes, I think English is very important for us.
Thank you, Sharika. Now it's your turn. Do you think that English is very important for us?
Yes, I think English is very important for us.
Why?
Because English is an international language. It is an widely used language among the other languages in the world. If we want to get a good job, we must learn English. We can't expect to get a good job without learning English within or outside the country. So English is very important for us.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Jara. What is your name?
My name is Moon.
How are you today?
I'm very well today.
When do you come at school?
I come at schools at 6:40 a.m.
How did you come today?
I come with my father by rickshaw.
How many members in your family? Describe.
There are 5 members in my family. There are my parents, my grandparents, and I am.
Thank you, Sabikunar Moon. Now I will go another one. What is your name?
My name is Esha.
When did you get up from bed?
I get up from bed at 5 a.m.
Okay. What's your name?
I am Humaira.
What do you do after getting up from bed?
I brush my teeth and fresh myself. Then I take breakfast and ready for school.
Okay. What do your parents do?
My parents are teacher.
Both.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of our country?
The name of our country is Bangladesh.
Say something about our country.
The name of our country is Bangladesh, but the capital of it is Dhaka. It is a small country. It got independence in 1971. It is a developing country. There are so many visiting places here. Most of the people of Bangladesh are Muslims. I love my country so much.
Okay. Thank you. Who was the first president of our country?
Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the first president of our country.
Who declared 21 February as the International Mother Language Day?
UNESCO.
Do you know the full meaning of UNESCO?
Yes, sir.
Please.
United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Why do you like this?
It gives me many happiness, and I love flowers.
What is your aim in life?
My aim in life is to be an army.
Why do you want to be an army?
I want to be army because I want to serve my country.
What do you do in your weekend?
In my weekend, I play with my cat.
Play with your cat. Besides?
Besides, I play game in mobile.
Mobile. Okay. What's the name of your district?
The name of our district is Borguna.
How many people live here?
About 10 lakh.
তো ভিউয়ার্স, আমরা এতক্ষণ কথা বলছিলাম এভারগ্রিন পাবলিক মডেল স্কুলের সপ্তম শ্রেণীর ছাত্রীদের সাথে। জাস্ট তাদের স্পিকিং ইংলিশে কতটুকু দক্ষতা অর্জন করতে পেরেছে বা তারা কতটুকু ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে, এই বিষয়টা আমরা একটু দেখেছি। তো বরগুনা শহরের প্রাণকেন্দ্র কলেজ রোডে অবস্থিত এভারগ্রিন পাবলিক মডেল স্কুলের সকলের অন্তত একবারের জন্য হলেও পরিদর্শন করার অনুরোধ জানিয়ে আজকের ভিডিও আমরা এখানেই শেষ করছি। আল্লাহ হাফেজ। চিয়ার্স। বাই।